RAGE-T1-NEO, Rage B2 Audio. Put it all together. I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Audio, doing another unboxing.
This way you can see it before you buy it.
Hit that like button, smash that like button. Share us, subscribe to us, leave a comment when we're done. Check it out. This is the RAGE-T1-NEO tweeters, only $89.95 for a set. 100 watt RMS, 4 ohm, 1-inch voice coil, 3 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz, sensitivity 106, and it's a titanium diaphragm. Let's crack this open. First thing you get is you get a B2 Audio branded capacitor. Doesn't mean it's anything else special, but it's nice to have that. You do get screws to mount the tweeters and simple little paperwork. Now, these are not coming with the 2-year extended warranty. Why? We have the diaphragms for these. They're inexpensive. And the reality is if you tune it right, power it right, they shouldn't blow. And if they do, that's on you. But a couple screws, pop it out, put a new one in. This is really nice because it's got chrome and black. Let's go ahead and turn on the Big Jeff cam.
Big Jeff cam activated.
That's a nice looking tweeter. It's even got the push on terminals on the back. Here is the B2 Audio capacitors and a set of tweeters. I mean screws. Okay, so really good for the highs. I think this is a nice looking tweeter, easy to mount because your cutout is only 2.2. So all you got to do is cut that. You can probably use a hole saw, put this in, screw it down, and then you have push terminals here for the B2 Audio bass blockers. If you're doing a DSP separate amp, you don't need them, but you do have to use them if you're not doing that. You cannot run full range signal to these. Now you could just push the little push-in terminal, stick it in there, and it's done. But I would use some solder so it doesn't come off. But for $89.95, beautiful set of tweeters. Let's hook one up. So power rating is 100 watts. That's actually a lot of power, especially for a tweeter. And then let's turn this down and get some music playing. That is really crisp. Let's get this camera here. Really crisp. Very high frequency. And I got the volume max, so we're probably getting distortion through here. It's eating it up. So super small. I love the black trim with the polished aluminum tweeter part. Overall diameter, let me get that for you. It's like 3.17, so about 3 inches, 4 screws, pop her in. Mounting depth, we didn't get that. I'll get that for you right now. You're just about 1.2, so about 1.25 inch mounting depth. It's a beautiful looking speaker, a tweeter. And for $89.95 for a set with push terminals, I really like it. So these be easy to install. That's the biggest thing about some tweeters, trying to get the hole and everything get in there without breaking the terminals. That's why I like how they did that. It does have a cone in the middle to help change the frequencies and disperse. So this is where it's at. B2 Audio can never be too loud. RAGE-T1-NEO, $89.95 for the set. 100 watts RMS, 4 ohm, 1-inch voice coil. We do have replacement diaphragms. Very easy to do if you don't have this thing tuned right. Please listen responsible. Use a DSP, definitely a crossover on an amp, and put these on for sure. All right, I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, B2AudioUSA.com. I'm headed out for today. It's Saturday. I've done a bunch of videos today. We went live today, and Can't wait for the big woofers to come in about 2 weeks. So We'll see you then. We'll be doing unboxing, some flex testing, and we're gonna get to the amps. So after you see this video, probably the week after that, we'll be doing more amps. We did the Rage 5000 that went over 5,000 watts at 2 ohms, no problem. And today we just did the 800.4, which is supposed to be 200 watts RMS per channel. We got 273 watts at 5 ohms. Incredible. Hey, pick you up a set of these. RAGE-T1-NEO, $89.95. I'll see you on the next one.